5 grams weed.
What's up with you?
Got enough.
Thank you.
Alright, let's have some fun. See, what's up, baby girl? What do you need? Shit, I gotta keep my eye on that car back there. That'll disappear. Alright, 1 gram of weed.
Tell me something interesting.
You know we out here.
Hello, blind asshole.
But I'll quit. A nice little booty too. Look at you walking with 6. Got you. What's up? What you need, man? Man, you look good from 5 million, boy. I don't want you in my single player like that. Alright, bro. 4 grams of weed. Got you. You see, you like that, okay, you like that? You like that, cold? God, coming out. The police about to come out. Alright, bro, what you need, bro? Oh, my bad.
Come on, damn, man.
Bad, bro, my bad, bro. We put that blitz out. You got something for you. You get smart.
What's up?
Alright, nothing much. Man, you got a 2 here, bro. Can't find it.
Híjole.
One load. Oh, I ain't meant to hit you.
What a joke.
Oh, he can't even hit him. Look glad. We don't sell police.
Watch out!
Get out the way, man. We gonna take out. Get out here.
Híjole.
Bro, move. Alright, bro, come on, let's go.
Hey!
I know we didn't drive this one in the beginning. They gonna be gone.
Seriously?
Matter of fact, hold on. We ain't gonna let no police down, run us away from my spot. You don't say the police. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tell them I ain't got nothing. He ain't getting me from my spot. I'm in here trapping too.
Hey!
I'm gonna tell them get on. We ain't having that. We out here, man. We got 2 bad. Oh,
Hold
shit.
it!
What y'all want, man?
Hold up!
You probably gotta put that gun out too, man. You gotta tell them they gotta go. I mean, we ain't doing nothing out here. Oh shit.
Oh!
We out here, boy. You ain't help your partners. Oh, you better get the fuck on. You ain't sound the police. What you wanna do? We ain't got nothing. Bye, bro. We ain't got nothing, bro. Man, we gotta get these bodies out of here, yo. What y'all want? We just got 2 pieces dead over here. We gotta go. You can't be around 2 bodies, man. What you want, dog?
What's up?
Nice shit, ain't it?
How about that tell her not
Gracias.
to kill 2 police? Hit them with the gun, pistol whip. How about that tell her that shit? I'll give y'all free bags. Y'all get the extra.
What it do? Dope. Thanks. Hey, yo.
What's up?
Yo, what's poppin'? Ah, hey, yo, thanks.
Alright, you like that too? You like that screen? That beam screen? Okay. Oh. Come on here. What's up, partner? What you need, boy? Let's have some fun, man. 3 grams of weed, got you. Oh, I ain't got some on my weed. I had 20. Damn, he bought all my shit. Bro, I ain't got. Oh shit! Get the fuck off. This dude came back. We out of here, yo. Yeah. I like this one. He my homeboy. GTA crazy. plain on beam, man. Realistic cars, man. Chevy, what is Corvette ZL1. I put that on 26s by 12s, and the Crown Vic, I put it on. I put it on 24s by 10s, in the front, in the back. We over here. This is my house. I'm gonna put the house in back. Be back. Yo, we coming back. We back home, yo. Gotta wait for the police. We back over here. I was gonna put a garage back here.